So today I'll be showing you how to update your M4 Mac Mini. So it's one of the first things you need to do as soon as you set it up. So what you want to do is go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and then click on System Settings. On the System Settings window, go to the left-hand side panel and click on Software Update. You can actually see it says available. So you can choose whether you want to update overnight or you want to update it right now. So to update now, just click on Update Now button. And then you have the software license agreement, which you have to read and eventually click on Agree. And then it's going to ask for your Mac password. So just type in that password and then hit Enter. And that's going to start the process of downloading the update files. So just be patient and wait for that process to finish up. So once the update files have finished downloading, anytime you restart your Mac, then they're gonna get installed. You can also click on Restart Now from here to restart your Mac so that the updates can get installed. So as you can see, it's currently installing the updates after I initiated a restart. And then the Mac is going to turn off, update, and restart. It's literally that simple. So we all restarted and just entering the password right now to log back in. Now there's a chance you might be required to sign in with your Apple ID again as soon as you update. So I'm just gonna do that. It's setting up my iCloud again. Then you have all this stuff that you have to go through, checking and unchecking. Of course, we have Apple Intelligence with the newest Mac OS. So just hit continue and I'll be welcome to Mac OS Sequoia, which is the latest Mac OS version. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section once again, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Good luck.